Hey, so if your tabs are always messy and you can't find anything in Opera One browser, yeah, Tab Islands can completely fix that. It automatically groups related tabs so everything stays clean and organized. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Opera One Tab Island step by step in 2026. First, open a few related tabs, like websites for work, YouTube videos, or research pages. Opera One automatically groups similar tabs into what's called Tab Islands. You can also manually drag a tab next to another to create a new island. Rename or organize your islands so you can quickly identify work, study, or entertainment tabs. You can collapse an entire tab island to save space and reduce clutter. Click any tab island to instantly switch between different groups of work. You can drag tabs from one island to another if you want to reorganize. Use one island for work, one for research, and one for entertainment to stay focused. And yeah, that's it. Tab islands make Opera One way cleaner, faster, and easier to manage.